I wouldn't.
Why?
Well, because I don't know what they can and can't eat.
They're over here in the grass.
Well, that's grass. You do know you got chickens behind you, right? I think I'd be careful.
Why?
Well, there's some of these roosters that are not real friendly.
You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
That one's scared. I think that's a girl. Because I thought the boy goats only had horns.
Alright, let's catch up.
I threw some grass and one of them landed on a goat. Were all these born too?
No, they just popped into existence one day. Now, do not touch, but look up there.
What are those?
Eggs.
The goats? Chickens.
Yeah, they're goat eggs. Yeah, that's
They're
it.
from the chickens?
No, they don't look like no chicken eggs, but
Rooster?
roosters are boys. They usually don't have eggs.
Rabbit?
No, yeah, that's it. Rabbit. Yeah, they're rabbit eggs. Ask Mama, she'll tell you about them, won't she, Tanya? Are you coming?